Oh, God. That's loud.
Power lines will be blown down in the Warren area. The storm will be accompanied by brief heavy rainfall and little or no lightning. Seek shelter inside an interior room.
Well, I was not expecting that at all. I thought we were just gonna get stuff in the afternoon, but no. GSP is full of surprises. Oh, God. Oh, this isn't good. Oh, this isn't good.
Weather Service in Greenville has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Cabarrus County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southeastern Iredell County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, north central Mecklenburg County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southwestern Orange County in the Piedmont of North Carolina. At 7:28 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms will producing a tornado with winds of 8 miles per hour or near daily. Northwestern Cabarrus County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southeastern Iredell County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, north central Mecklenburg County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southwestern. Expects damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. This dangerous storm will be near 1 Salem to 7:30 7:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Until around 7:40 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor. Protect yourself from flying debris. Avoid windows. Please report if you are outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle by calling toll-free substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report damaging windows, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free. Your message should describe the event and its specific location by posting on the Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag EAS Alerts. Your message should describe the event and its specific location.
God damn it! I stopped my recording. Give me a moment.
The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Cabarrus County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southeastern Iredell County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, north central Mecklenburg County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southwestern Rowan County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:28 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles north of Huntersville, or near Davidson, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, expects damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. This dangerous storm will be near Mooresville around 7:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Until around 7:40 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Annapolis, China Grove, and Landis around 7:50 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Cabarrus.
You heard them.
But I think there were 16 athletes in North Carolina that were transgender athletes that were approved to compete. So, you know,
Come on.
that tells you how small.
Literally just saw him for like a second.
And those were transgender females.
Correct.
So, yeah, which is what they really are going at.
Yes.
And I think one of the big takeaways for gay and trans youth is just sort of the lack of support. Whether it's pointed at athletes or whether it's pointed at the entire community. And if the party is really diverse, then I think it's
Oh my goodness, why can't I get these guys anymore? I could...
because for many kids, this is actually a life and death situation. Suicidal rates have been shown to go up substantially when state legislatures take measures like this against trans kids. And this is something
I don't know what to do. I'm gonna have to play around with this.
Solution in search of a problem, I think.
And on Wednesday evening on MSNBC's All In with Chris.
The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Cabarrus County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southeastern Iredell County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, north central Mecklenburg County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southwestern Rowan County County in the Piedmont of North Carolina until 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:28 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles north of Huntersville, or near Davidson, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, expects damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. This dangerous storm will be near Mooresville around 7:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Hicksville around 7:40 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Annapolis, China Grove, and Lettuce around 7:50 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Riveras, Ardell, Mecklenburg, and Rowan.
WTCG? Apparently.
Always WSG.
Ah, god damn it.
The event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina. As the director of our resident.
Okay.
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Forsyth County in central North Carolina, eastern Davidson County in central North Carolina, northwestern Randolph County in central North Carolina, Guilford County in central North Carolina, until 9:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:49 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles northwest of High Point to near Thomasville to 10 miles east of High Rock Lake, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greensboro, High Point, Thomasville, Kernersville, Archdale, Summerfield, Trinity, Stokesdale, Pleasant Garden, and Jamestown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Davidson, North Carolina.
Media wanted to.
Nope. Well. I forgot to turn these back on.
Thunderstorm warning for southeastern Warren County and central North Carolina, southwestern Burnett County and central North Carolina, northeastern Richmond County and central North Carolina, west central Cumberland County and central North Carolina, northern Hope County and central North Carolina, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Aberdeen, 47 miles southwest of Southern Pines, moving at 35 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Southern Pines, Fort Mill, Pinehurst, Aberdeen, Hoffman, Pope Air Force Base, Whispering Pines, Pine Bluff, Foxfire, and Venice. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Richmond, North Carolina. Moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Southern Pines, Fort Bragg, Pinehurst, Aberdeen, Hoffman, Pope Air Force Base, Whispering Pines, Pine Bluff, Foxfire, and Venice. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Richmond, North Carolina.
I won. Ah.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Scotland County in central North Carolina, southeastern Richmond County in central North Carolina, south central Hope County in central North Carolina, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles south of Hamlet to near Charlotte, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Laurinburg, Rayford, Maxton, Wagram, Gibson, East Laurinburg, Laurel Hill, and Beaumont. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Richmond, North Carolina. Central damage to vehicles is expected. In central North damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations affected include Laurinburg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Laurel Hill and Beaumont. Severe thunderstorm. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Richmond, North Carolina.
Good too.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Scotland County in central North Carolina, southeastern Richmond County in central North Carolina, south central Hope County in central North Carolina, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles south of Hamlet to near Sharon, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Laurinburg, Rayford, Maxton, Wagram, Gibson, East Laurinburg, Laurel Hill, and Beaumont. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Richmond, North Carolina. God. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Moore County in central North Carolina, Scotland County in central North Carolina, northwestern Sampson County in central North Carolina, Harnett County in central North Carolina, southeastern Richmond County in central North Carolina, Cumberland County in central North Carolina, south central Lee County in central North Carolina, Hope County in central North Carolina, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. 4:45 p.m. Severe thunderstorms are located along a line extending from 2 miles southeast of Sanford to 7 miles west of Polk Air Force Base to Rayford to near Laurinburg to near Bennettsville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and maple-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fayetteville, Laurinburg, Southern Pines, Rayford, Millington, South Reading, Dunn, Hardin, Maxton, and Evelyn. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Richmond, North Carolina. Thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles southeast of Sanford to 7 miles west of Polk Air Force Base to Rayford